Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Welcome to the film session. TX Galaxy 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Igame ezolo, how can I describe it? Ifana nemvuthu zephaya. Yabona imvuthu zephaya mawuyibamba iyavithi uyibamba ivithi. That was yesterday's game, according to me. Both teams couldn't play out or keep the ball long enough or consistently. Yes, I know Kaizer Chiefs, they can't play out. So TX Galaxy fell into the trap Kaizer Chiefs, where Chiefs, they like transition football or just winning the ball in the middle, right? They win the ball in the middle, then they go forward, or they play the quick pass forward. Then TX Galaxy, on the other hand, bang disappointed. I thought Uguti, they can play, but they couldn't. Shame, they couldn't. Problem here, Chiefs. Okay, let me start with positivity. Yeah? This season, they've done well with so many points that they have. Think about number 3 or number 4. With so many points that they have, it's a very good thing, especially where they come from in the past 3 or 4 seasons. Now, the bad thing for me is after more than 15 games in the season, you still don't have a starting lineup, like a proper starting lineup. Okay, we know a goalkeeper, and then the 2 center backs who cross on the left, he was injured, and then on the right hand side, left back, in a competition, sharp, we get it. And then in the middle of the park, from the midfielders to the attackers, you don't know who is going to play. Yes, the 2 central midfielder, these are 2 games, and say change. You play Umtu on the left. No, Umtu is not a left winger, guys. Umtu is not a left winger. Let me show you what I picked up. Yeah? What I picked up is I always speak about the first 15 minutes of the game. It will tell you, Guti, hey, this is what Chiefs wanted to do, or this is what Chiefs were doing. Like I said, they can't play out. They lose it, then they win it. Now watch Uvila behind the defenders. Behind the defenders. There was a beautiful pass. First touch, control by right, finishing it was bad. Umtu is not a winger. He likes making those runs in between the defenders, especially when he's playing as a 10 or as a half 10. When he's playing in that area, he makes those runs in the middle. But Magasugale from Gute, he's not that creative. Another clip of Kaizer Chiefs. Watch. They can't come out. Even the coach. Look at the coach. Telling them, go back. Okay, go back. Now the plan. Watch. This is a big stadium. When you have a big pitch, not a big stadium, a big pitch. When you are defending, you must always have that thing. They can play the ball behind the defenders. Now watch the keeper there. Boom. This was a beautiful pass. Beautiful tap. Maybe could have done better. This is actually a penalty. This is a penalty for me. The person omkhahlelayo does not win the ball. The person omkhahlelayo does not win the ball. This is actually a penalty for me. But this was a penalty. Let's look at the disallowed goal. The disallowed goal is with Chiefs playing the ball behind the defenders. Sharp. Now, TX Galaxy, okay, by 5. But watch Umatuna. I don't rate Umatuna highly. A midfielder, guys, if the ball gets passed to the midfielder, one needs to go and press. Because if we are holding a line, so there's space here. So we need to go and press. Yeah? Let me take it back. You cannot give a midfielder his space because they are definitely gonna make a run there. He's not picking anyone. Uyambona, but still he takes his time. He takes it. Now he goes. It's too late. It's too late. This was a good finish. Good finish. Uyimoshile linesman. But I don't blame linesman because these things the fast. It's not easy to catch. That's why we need the VAR. But you cannot have a midfielder and his space and another line there. Ay. Yeah, ne. Ayikho nine. Beautiful pass. Usilva Vele, he's not a wall striker. You know there are wall strikers about Drogba. They come and receive the ball back as a papa. Usilva he wants to run. As much as I can give a criticism that any team right? Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, or whoever. Sometimes you need to give credit. This is what I liked about the Chiefs. Okay, let me say this before. I don't like corner kicks or free kicks that just go directly. Like you need to be smart, be creative, because if you play a corner kick directly, remember everyone is standing still so they can see the ball. But if you play a short corner or you play it somewhere else, now everyone needs to adjust to the angle of the ball coming in. Because the first time cross here, everyone is adjusted, or is adjusting. But now, there's 1, 2, 3 Kaizer Chiefs players, but there's one Tex Galaxy defender. Kanjani? We are not in primary school. If there is 3, now you have to send 3. One has to be here and one has to be here. No, man. Now they play the ball here. They cross. Almost scored. Because we're defending a corner kick like we are kids. I think a primary school. If they send 5 there, now you send 5. This was brilliant by Chiefs. Be creative. Cross and why take one. No. You can't do that. Now let's look at what. Then you show Guti. When the ball comes in here, people here need to adjust. So Umayo hits the ball. Umatuna is picking up Umayo. Now watch Umatuna. It's easy when we are all standing like this. Then the ball comes, the striker is still here. But now when there is movement, a lot of people don't know how to mark or don't want to defend. So when you play a short corner, nizomthola lo one ongekho mnandi. One of the reasons that the Kaizer Chiefs does not score a lot of goals, if you look at most of my games, they always have moments. They always have moments, but decision making is poor. Very, it's not even very poor. Now let me show you. Like I always do. Decision making in our country is poor. Watch Uvila here. Let's watch Uvila. Then I'm gonna take it back. Uvila guys here. Ball. Already he wanted to shoot. He didn't care Uti Ubani ose spacing or who's making a run, who's in a better scoring position. He didn't care. All he wanted to do was to tuck in and shoot, which is very bad. You can't do that as a player. You can't do that. You can't. Watch. Pass the ball. Why don't I pass? If you pass someone who's in a better scoring position than you. Pass Solomons here. He's not offside. Solomons. We are passer. It's either he's gonna score or he's going to pass Solomons. Right? Why don't I pass Umuyumtuan? Okay, sharp. We are Briga. phasa omunye umntwana. Why ungaphasa omunye umntwana? Again, phasa omunye umntwana. Wenzani uVila? Bafethu. Another poor decision making. It's like ngathi ba greedy. They don't want to share the glory. Phasa omunye umntwana. Mara. He had a chance to pass. Mara nabo Silva nabo mfethu. Kawujisa ka Betway, ba? Look here, this side. There's two. Phasa omunye umntwana la, umduwa phase la. When ufuna Silver Fox, mara. Jesu mara, bafethu. Another poor decision making. Okay, there we go. Vila yamnika umdumo. Mina ngisazi. Angisazi. Tasha ka Vila bengekho right la. Okay, sharp. There we go. Phasa ngwana omunye. Phasa omunye umntwana. Why ungaphasa omunye umntwana? You had a chance first half to score. You didn't. Now you have a chance to pass. You want to shoot. I always tell people it's not easy to play for the big teams because when you do something great, Mohammed strategy, all the noise, the accolades, Ntwana. So ingene khanda lakho masowudlala. Now awusaphasa abanye abantwana ufuna ukukora so that bazokuqhutha estradini. Why is passing ngwana omunye? He's all alone. uSilva naye uyakhala. It's like ngathi all of them bafuna ukukora like abafuna ukuphasa. Wonke umuntu naye ufuna iglory. Kaizer Chiefs should have won this game, guys. They should have won this game. Maybe 3 or 2 or 4. But they could have lost the game. Last minute. TX Galaxy, one shot at goal, one shot on target. Let me show you something. Ukuthi balahle kanjani. This is before the shot on target. Sharp. Ball is in the middle. Now this is Velipai. Velipai. This is Velipai here. And then watch uMarco. Marco is going to press. Wenzani uMarco? Yapressa. Bayamshiya. He recovers very well. Marco there. Good, Marco. Now let me show you the incident. Now let's watch. It's not even a minute later. The ball is on the right hand side. Balenzani, I'll switch up boy. It goes to the left. Okay. Siaba spreader. Now watch this side. Keep your eyes here. The ball is in the middle. This is uVelipai. This is uMarco. What is Marco doing? He's pointing there, Wuti. Hey, unalimutu da. There's a fire on the mountain. But look at this pass. So you will tell me who was wrong. Look at uMarco, look at uVelipai. Great save by the keeper there. Great save. Now, who is at fault? Is it Velipai or is it uMarco? You will decide. This is Velipai. Zonal marking. But zonal marking, you're not closing down this zone. uMarco, you're too focused on this guy. This guy is a striker. He must be here. You are supposed to be here now with Marco. He played there. Marco is still sleeping there. He thinks he's at Orlando. Kabangu to Sescotin. Nice save there by the keeper. They could have lost the game in the last minute. Imagine dominating the game, then ngama last minute, we almost lose it. Please subscribe, Bafethu. Thank you for watching. Please share. Please like. Ngiyabonga.